Good morning, students. Yesterday we have finished our poem that is In the Time of Silver Rain, and now we'll continue with this English workshop. It is given exercise. First, find the pair of rhyming words used at the end of the lines in the poem. So you have to find it here, rhyming words from the poem. So which are the rhyming words? That ends with the line rain again, heads spread. Here again, wings sing, cry sky. So these are the rhyming words of the poem. And next question is, read the poem aloud using proper intonation. Next, so you have to read it with proper intonation. If you were draw a landscape on the basis of the poem, what elements will you show in it? What colors will you use? So imagine if you are drawing a picture that is a landscape. Landscape means what? You are drawing a scenery picture, any scene. So which elements you will use, and that elements are there in the poem. So with that element can you draw the painting, and which colors you will use for the painting, that you have to write. Fourth word, the special arrangement of short lines make you think about every detail. If you write the sentence in the usual manner, it does not have the same effect. For example, the first stanza would be something like, the earth puts forth new life again, green grasses grow, and flowers lift their heads, and the wonder of life spreads all over the plain in the time of silver rain. So here are the arrangements of the short line that give a poetic effect, and do that you have to see. So for giving a poetic effect, the poet used the short line, that is, in the time of silver rain puts forth new life again, green grasses grow. So easily, usually if we write it, so it will not give a poetic effect. So this short line gives us a poetic effect. Now try the following. Write one or two sentences about something beautiful using your own experience or imagination. So you have to write 2 or 3 lines with your imagination. Rearrange the words in the sentence in a poetic form. So in a poetic form. Poetic form means you have to use a rhyming words. So write 1 or 2 sentences with the poetic form using a rhyming words or in rhythm. You may write about a beautiful day, a beautiful night, a stream, a crop standing in a field, a graceful bird, or an animal, etc. So here are the some topics they had given, and you have to think of 2 or 3 lines, and you have to form the in a poetic manner, in a poetic way, and with your imagination, with your experience, you can write these lines. Write 2 lines. Fill in the blanks with the reference to the poem. In the time of silver rain, when spring and life are, so fill in the blanks are given here. You have to see it from the poem, and you have to write here. So it is very easy. Think and answer. In the poet talking about, is the poet talking about heavy rain in the rainy season, or rain that has come after a long time? So here poet is asking question, or here is the question, that poet is talking about heavy rain, or rain about that comes after a long time. So which is here, you have to decide which, that is the rain has come after a long time, that is given here. Are the boys and girls happy that it is raining? Yes, they are happy because they were singing. Here is the line. Enjoy as the down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. When we sing, when we are happy, in a happiness merrily we sing. Find out the following with the help of your teacher and the internet. Seasonal rains in India and other countries. So how the seasonal rain in India and in the other countries. So comparison, you have to write 1 or 2 line about them. Rain in countries like UK, which experience spring, summer, autumn and winter. So here you can find it from the internet also, how the rain. Actually I have told you in the explanation. Talk about your favorite season. 1 minute activity. So here you have to write 5 to 10 lines about your favorite season. Which is your favorite season? You have to write about it. Last one, language study, alliteration. When the same sound occurs at the beginning of two or more words in the same line, it is called alliteration. So we have seen, for example, is Naina needs new books. So what is there? The word in every word, the first letter is N. Okay, the first letter and its sound is N. No, Naina needs new books. So here N is repeated. So here it is called the alliteration. Find an example of alliteration from the poem. Collect other example of alliteration. So which is the example given here in the poem that you have to write here. So which is that? It's very easy. You have to find out it. Which is the line that repeats the sound N. Alliteration. The example of alliteration. So here our poem In the Time of Silver Rain and our exercise, that is English workshop, has finished. We'll continue we'll continue next lesson from Monday. Thank you.